What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be installing these muffler deletes on my 370Z. Now these are a little janky. We got these from OfferUp. These have the Nismo tips, so we're going to install these real quick for you guys and I'm going to show you how it sounds. But before I do that, I'm going to give you stock revs so you could compare and contrast before and after. But yeah, super excited to show you how these work, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the reason why I'm jacking up one side of the car is that we just returned our jack stands. I had Harbor Freight jack stands and there was a recall, so if you guys don't know, there's a whole link in the description below that you guys can check out. So I don't have jack stands, I'm going to rely on my jack. Don't do this, get jack stands if you can. I put the wheel underneath just in case I don't die. So yeah, we're going to jack it up and I'm going to tell you guys the size of the bolt. I'm not too sure, I think it's a 14mm. So we're gonna open the bolts, take it off, put the new one in, give you an exhaust clip, and then we'll make a whole POV video next time. So let me do that real quick. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to open this. Let me see. Let me try. So these will be two 14mm on each side. So we just gotta open that up. It's better if you guys blast these with PB blaster or any kind of rust removal. They're gonna be very difficult to take off. And it's better to use a shorter socket because now the issue that I noticed is I can't even take off my socket. I don't want to damage the bumper. It is coming off. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna rev it right now because I don't have jack stands, so I'm just gonna start it and check for any leaks. Then we're gonna put down the car and then we're gonna do a quick rev, and then we'll make another video and show you complete revs, everything, rev matching and everything. So let me start it up real quick. Damn, sounds good. I'm just gonna check for leaks real quick. Yeah, no leaks. We'll put it down and then we'll rev it for you guys. So there you have it, that's a muffler delete. I love the way it sounds, definitely sounds interesting, very throaty, very deep, and there's not much rumble compared to the Q50, but I love the way it sounds. We're gonna do a complete different video where we're gonna do an in and out of the car. We're gonna do all of the revs, start up, cold start and everything, but that's gonna be it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed how this car sounds, and we're gonna be doing a lot more to the car. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so whenever I post a video you guys get notified. Anywho, that's it from me guys. See you on the next one.